Install machine pantograph. Insert black driver trolley. Ensure moving smoothly. In order to assembly easily, move X driver to left side till end. Each driver trolley fix with one screw. Fix with screw. Take down X pantograph support and fix screw. Insert Y pantograph support. Insert the washer block against the edge. Make sure the hole is at correct position. Touch the bottom driver trolley without gap. Move Y pantograph support to front, and fix bottom for screws. Fix all screws on X pantograph support. Fix all screw on X pantograph support trolley. Install Y pantograph support cover. Place the end with smaller hole space at right side. Vertically assembly pantograph.